Hello friend, welcome to InfoSphere YouTube channel. This video detailing about by how social media changed the sports marketing game. So let's start my video. How social media changed the sports marketing game. Sport marketing is a new but doesn't look different. The use of the social media is sport marketing is transform the way fans interact with their favorite athletes, teams and sporting events. Sports figures once sponsors from their fans by traditions. Media have become our favorite influencer. Our mainstay is our feed event. The Grace Gap previously reserved from stadium and live TV are now available to watch 24/7 and fans, not commentators, get to have the last word in the comment section. No longer just spectators, consumers play an active role in the sports industry and sport marketing campaign. Its consumers who have changed when sports marketing looks like by putting their engagements and dollars behind female para P-box and LGBTQA plus athletes from the wide range of sports backgrounds. This diverse range of athletes has sparked a global sports marketing resonates as a giving brands as a way to brand reach especially to new audience. Brand who have capitalized on this new global golden age of sport marketing are increasing their awareness and positive sentiments even they aren't directly related to the sport industry. As we plan off for 2025 considered how the changing phase of sport marketing cloud align with your strategy and goals. Social media sports marketing catapults into mainstream culture. In the past, sports marketing campaign targeted a smaller subset of sports fans that largely failed to see the potential of incorporating a diverse range of athletes, with a few exceptions like tennis superstar Serena Williams. Today's sports marketing campaign capture the attentions of all kind of audience and brings sports figures into the cultural zeitgeist, which expands the opportunities for brand and athletes alike. Interest in women's sports sets new record. Recent media movement like WNBA rookie Angels Reese and relatively Lyres Leona Meher on the covers of Sports Illustrated demonstrate how far sports equality has and commerce more fans and tuning into women's sporting events around the world than even they are increasing spectacular close to pay gaps and female athletes' bodies are slated to shine rather than aesthetics. Yet there is still newsletters a rule of the court doubt and ability to female athletes to compete at the highest level and draw profitables and audience website all describes to sentiments of example. Google launches to ideal double the athletes cover of women's sports and LA function recent 1 year $1 sponsorship deal with SPM will funnel 90% of its overall investment into women's sports. Many brands who went to successfully reach Gen Z audience side increase interest in women's support as a primary way they've been able to reach that demographics. Interest in women's supports mirror newfound interest in other underappreciated events and athletes. Some of the most celebrated campaign of 2024 failure athletes from women language para athletes and up for coming players in edge lineup for the best sports marketing campaign of 2024. They feature campaigns like Adidas Runner 321 which spotlight athletes, the marathon runner Chris Nike and Adidas were sponsored is athlete Down Sanders. Another standout the character Kerala did just getting started campaign. The simple yet inspirations homepage rookie WNBA star. New rule expand opportunities to partner with athletes. The name, image, likeness, and IL running is 2021 also greatly expanded the pool of athletes brand work could work with by making a possible on TikTok. This and Sam's as strategic service consultant sprouts questions brand to art act externally when signing deals with young athletes after the introductions of an NIL and sponsorship deal to college athletes were drawn to and work of influencer marketing. They are athletes and students first, not influencer. This is a new, very nuanced world of them, and the decision they make, the contract they sign could massively impact their career beyond their colleagues here. They don't have the experience of working in the world of have teams behind the team. It's up to brand to act responsibly to provide the best possible guidance for a right usage and fair pay. This active applies to brand and frauding partnership will all achieve, especially your young female career. Your para athletes who are new to paid collaboration brands should always assume deals and athlete influencer good public and act accordingly. Brand of all types or talking a cue from a sports marketing playbook. Our record is setting 5 billion people engaged with the 2022 World Cup on social, where in the 12 billion engagement about the 2024 Summer Game. The sheer volume of sports fan worldwide means even unlikely brand can use the sports industry for co-marketing opportunities and brand partnerships that extend reach and grow their audience. Sam's would like this sports have always thought people together most likely integrate celebrities or sports fans always collaborations. As Pan Walker, social media intelligence supervisors at the provider at the Hershey company, very happy fans. Our food, the beverage brands such as the McDonald's have the helmets partnering fragrance campaign. But an unexpected double is a sports marketing. Can you create a meaningful campaign? Here are advice to worker and use social listening to look fashion fan like. Other fashion brands like David Yurman and Savage X Fenty are partnering with the athletes who share a passion for both and share their sports, insurance and finance. Canvas partner with the athletes greatest Clark Blair, Jean King, Annika Stondler to promote their product, partly flex and annuity designed to address women unique retirement needs. Other insurance companies like Gesho and State Farm sponsor wrestlers events and athletics associations year round. Legal concerns to remember when racing to execute sports marketing campaign on social media. Even with the massive opportunity, sports marketing presents brand need to process with care. The industry can be particularly litigious, can be with comes to intellectual property IP. The same explain IP right and right uses content logos of various teams and various languages. Athletes names of user images and likeness are particularly challenges to navigate. A highly recommended working at the skilled and experienced legal teams of Shield. This instead, while the risk of mismanagement support sports marketing campaign are the similar to influencer marketing and in their layers, fronts and upon. Both of these areas can be murky, and with this comparing the participating on a cultural events and IP fragments or immersion marketing begin. Thus, most qualified to answer thus questions will be your legal team. Just because they may question you to provide specific names, likeness, image, or event doesn't mean you can find a creative way to join the conversation on social or work with athletes. Create your own sports marketing wins. Sports marketing too has become a much more inclusive, highly engaging sports largely driven by social media and the diversity of athletes. How in the spotlight's brand into tap is the transform can reach new audience and build deeper and as you plan your 2025 social media strategy considers you growing influencers more productive planning for your and your team. सो गाइस आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही, मैं मिलता हूँ आपको वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय.